Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Question. Today I'll talk about disk cleanup. Disk cleanup is a program of Windows. Disk cleanup can help you remove some unwanted file from your computer. Those unwanted file can hold some space and also can cause for computer slowness. So let's go to the computer screen. I'll show you step-by-step process how to perform disk cleanup.
Now I am at computer screen and today's agenda is disk cleanup. So first thing reason why we do the disk cleanup, remove unwanted file. There is a plain straightforward. Then there are multiple action we need to perform. First we need to clean up the temp folder, then %sign temp %sign dash folder you need to clean, then previous folder also need to clean. Then we will perform the utility of disk cleanup. Then my computer will be cleaned up properly and it should be little bit faster than previous. So first thing we need to do the perform that action temp folder. Most first three action I'll use the Windows plus R button from the keyboard, which is run window will open for that. So from the keyboard press Windows plus R button, then type temp temp, then hit OK or click OK. This folder we need to clean up. So whatever folder file it has, just select all and press delete. If you see something is not preventing to delete the folder, then you can skip that one. Okay, now this folder first one is cleaned up, then go for the next one. So again Windows R button, %sign, then temp, then again %sign, then hit enter or click OK. You see here is lot of file over here. So whatever file it is, select all, press Ctrl A and then delete. If something comes up like this way, it is preventing for deleting, that keeps the do this for all, check that one and click escape. Escape. It is taking some time, just wait for a little bit. Okay, it is done. Then go for the next option. Again Windows R, then type PREFETCH, then hit enter or click OK and again it opened up. Select all, Ctrl A and then again delete. This one is preventing, so please keep that. It is everything is done. Now go to your Windows search folder and type disk cleanup, DISC cleanup. You see disk cleanup appear over here. Click over here. It is asking which drive. If you have the multiple drive on your system, then you can do that. I have only C. You can do that C. Then hit OK. Once you hit OK, it is calculating the file. You see here is almost 1.66 gigabyte. It needs to be cleaned up. Also some are not selected, select all, recycle bin, everything. You see now 1.71 gigabyte. Then hit OK, delete files. It is, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? Click delete files. It is deleting. It is deleting, though it is depends on the file size. It's a 1.71 gigabyte. That's take little bit. If you have more file, it will take little bit more. That means whatever our agenda, we covered all. Temp folder cleanup, %sign temp, preface and disk cleanup. In this way, sometimes you can do your cleanup on your system so that your computer will remain faster. It will not hit any slowness.
I believe those who are new in disk cleanup, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.